On behalf of Lake County, welcome to the Alternative Concepts Public Workshop. Tonight's workshop focuses on the Round Lake Road Project Development and Environment, or PD&E, study. Before we can use a new road, the project must go through 5 key steps. The need for the project is first identified and is included in local transportation plans. The next step is to complete the PD&E study. Design is the third step when construction documents are prepared. Next comes the acquisition of additional right-of-way. Construction can begin only after these steps are completed. It may take up to 10 years for a project to go from an idea to being in place. Several factors were considered before this PD&E study began. The Florida Department of Transportation completed the East Lake County Transportation Study in 2013 with 2 major recommended improvements: the extension of Round Lake Road and the realignment of County Road 437. Much of the Wekiva Parkway has been constructed with an interchange at State Road 46 just east of Round Lake Road. Area growth is expected to continue into the future, and there will be need to meet the future mobility needs. The approved Wolf Branch Innovation District, located at the southern end of the project, is an approved mixed-use hub for living and working. Facilities will need to meet the future mobility needs for other new residential and commercial development within the city of Mount Dora. Connections to the Wekiva Trail will enhance the area's trail network. The Round Lake Road project is currently completing the PD&E study step. This process involves performing an environmental and engineering evaluation process that is used to document social, economic, natural, and physical environmental impacts associated with the proposed transportation improvement project. As the PD&E study is completed, the technical elements of the study are considered along with public input received from agencies, property owners, and interested stakeholders. The final set of recommendations is based on both components. This study is focusing on proposed transportation improvements along existing Round Lake Road, from south of the Orange Lake County line to Wolf Branch Road in Lake County, and continuing the proposed improvements on a new alignment north of Wolf Branch Road to north of State Road 44. This corridor is approximately 4.75 miles in length and is located primarily within unincorporated Lake County and the city of Mount Dora. Today, Round Lake Road is a rural 2-lane roadway that ends at Wolf Branch Road, without sidewalks or designated bicycle lanes. Highlighted here are the 3 major intersections along the corridor and the congestion that is experienced at the elementary school during afternoon dismissal. From 2015 through 2017, there were 71 total collisions involving 36 injury collisions along Round Lake Road. The majority of collisions along the corridor occurred at the intersections with the major crossroads in the study area. The need for improving and extending Round Lake Road is supported by projected growth in Lake County. As shown here, the average daily traffic is expected to continue to increase through 2040. Before the PD&E study could begin, the need for improving Round Lake Road was defined. These improvements will sustain the area's projected future growth while preserving the character of existing communities and the natural environment. This project will provide an additional north-south corridor for Northeast Lake County. The project also will improve traffic safety and enhance emergency evacuations. Round Lake Road has a high ranking among the priority projects for the Lake Sumter Metropolitan Planning Organization. 170 individuals attended the study kickoff meeting on March 8th. The following concerns were shared: rural character impacts, environmental impacts, attracting more traffic, safety, property access, and project need. The study team also received additional input through stakeholder coordination meetings, as well as submitted emails, website comments, and letters. All of this input was considered as alternatives were developed. The Round Lake Road PD&E study began in January 2018 and is anticipated to be completed by April 2019. Data collection activities have been completed, and the first public meeting was held on March 8, 2018. Tonight's workshop focuses on the alternative concepts for improving Round Lake Road. Based on the input we received and the technical evaluations, a set of recommendations will be developed and shared at the last public meeting in early 2019. This meeting will be held before the final set of recommendations is presented to the Lake County Board of County Commissioners for approval. The proposed improvements to Round Lake Road include a 4-lane facility with 12-foot travel lanes, a 12-foot multi-use trail on the west side, same side as Round Lake Charter School, and a 6-foot sidewalk on the east side, 5-foot bicycle lanes on both sides, and a 22-foot median. 5 build alternatives are proposed. For the area south of Wolf Branch Road, the alignment uses the existing Round Lake Road corridor, all except for the purple alternative. North of Wolf Branch Road, there will be a new alignment, all of which match the new Round Lake Road with County Road 439 north of State Road 44. The yellow alternative north of Wolf Branch Road shows the new alignment continuing north of Wolf Branch Road before it shifts to the northwest to connect with County Road 439. For the red alternative, the new alignment shifts to the northwest just north of Wolf Branch Road. The new alignment for the blue alternative continues straight north of Wolf Branch Road before shifting to the west. The green alternative shows the new alignment shifting off of the existing Round Lake Road south of Wolf Branch Road before it goes straight north to County Road 439. The purple alternative shows an alignment that shifts to the west just north of Sullivan Ranch and curves back to the east at Wolf Branch Road. North of this area, the alignment is similar to the blue alternative. Details about each alternative are provided on the workshop displays, which also can be found on the study website. These 5 build alternatives, along with the no-build alternative, were evaluated based on factors such as right-of-way impacts and environmental impacts. This evaluation matrix, combined with public input received, will be used to determine the recommended alternative. If you have questions, want to learn more about the study, or would like to request a meeting with your group, you may contact our study team leaders, George Gadiel, Lake County Project Manager, or Louise Diaz, Consultant Project Manager. Also, visit the study website, roundlakeroadstudy.com, for study updates. Thank you for taking the time to attend this public workshop. We appreciate your interest and participation in this important project.